Here is an app that can make you to remove your background or make your image background transparent within seconds. I'm Okoro-orji Victor, a brand designer and a tutor. So I'll be teaching you how to make your background or your image background transparent within seconds. So you are going to be looking into this app called Photoroom. Yeah, Photo. A lot of people go to Google Chrome and search for a website that can remove background, not knowing that there's an app that can remove your background within seconds. So let's go straight to the point. If you don't have the app, just go to your Google Play Store, search for Photo Room, and download it. Now let's go into it. This is how the app interface is. So let's wait for it to open. For new users, if you are trying to download the app, you are going to be asked to sign in and do some other things. So now let's go straight to it. Here, if you can see in this place, we are seeing transparent. So you are going to click it, transparent. Then it will pop out this. Then you look for an image. You look for an image that can remove the background. So let's click this image. Now look at it. It's going to move the background within 3 seconds. And now here it is. Our background has been removed. And in this photo room, it has a lot of features. You can also make your background white and also make your background black. So after removing your background from your image, you click export, and the thing will export to your device or gallery. And this up place that you are seeing done, click on it and it has saved to your gallery. So let's look at other features. We are seeing white here, we are seeing black. So let's make our image white. Click on the white and let's click on an image. Okay, let's use the image we used before for the transparent. Then this is it. Now our background is already in white form. For people that do, what do you call it, passport, you can snap yourself instead of looking for a white background or a white cloth to put there. You can just snap yourself, come to photo room, and you will have your white background. Then the same thing we did for the transparent. Click export. Now export to your device, and after then you click done. So let's go to our gallery and see how it is. Let's go to our gallery. Okay, it's still coming up. It's coming up. Okay, so here's what we have here. Look at the first one we remove. This is our image. Look at the background is transparent. Now look at the second one. Look at the background is white. So this is how to remove background from your image. So don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe also for more videos like this.